Inside your body right now, there are cells so powerful they have the ability to rebuild organs, repair damage, and restore function you thought was lost forever. Most people go their entire lives never knowing these cells exist, let alone understanding that certain everyday foods can wake them up. This is not about miracle cures or quick fixes. This is about a biological process quietly happening inside every one of us, one that either gets stronger with the right support or fades into silence when neglected. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly which foods are linked to this process and why almost nobody has ever explained it to you this way before. Let's start with the truth most people were never told. Your body did not stop being able to heal itself the moment you turned 40 or 50 or 60. Deep inside your bone marrow, your gut lining, your skin, and other tissues, dormant repair cells sit quietly waiting for the right signal to activate. Scientists have studied these cells for decades, and one thing keeps showing up again and again in the research: their activity is deeply connected to what we eat, how we live, and how consistently we support the systems that keep them alive. This means a portion of what feels like unavoidable aging may actually be a repair system that has simply gone quiet, not one that has disappeared for good. Now here's where this becomes personal. Think about the last time you cut your finger and watched it heal within days, almost like magic. That healing did not happen randomly. It happened because your body activated a repair process, sending specialized cells to the site of the damage to rebuild what was lost. That same repair system exists throughout your entire body, in your organs, your blood vessels, even parts of your brain. The question worth asking is not whether this system exists. It clearly does. The real question is why, as we age, this system seems to respond less and less, and more importantly, what we can do to keep it responsive for as long as possible. Stay with me, because in less than a minute, I'm going to walk you through the foods most closely tied to this process, and one of them is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, completely underestimated. Here's something that should make you pause. Every single day, your body is either sending signals that encourage repair and renewal, or signals that quietly suppress it. Chronic stress, poor sleep, ultra-processed food, and prolonged inflammation have all been linked to reduced activity in these repair pathways. Meanwhile, specific nutrients found in whole foods have been studied for their potential to support the very systems responsible for cellular renewal. This is not a temporary trend. This is decades of research pointing toward a simple but overlooked idea: the food on your plate is not just fuel, it is information, constantly telling your body whether to repair or whether to slow down. Let's talk about the first of these foods, and it might surprise you. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut have been studied for their impact on the gut microbiome, which researchers now understand plays a far bigger role in whole body repair than previously believed. A healthy gut environment has been linked to reduced inflammation throughout the body, and inflammation is one of the biggest known suppressors of natural repair activity. In other words, an imbalanced gut may be quietly working against your body's ability to renew itself, no matter how many other healthy choices you make elsewhere. The second food worth understanding is anything rich in polyphenols, compounds found in foods like berries, dark chocolate, and green tea. These compounds have been studied for their potential role in supporting the health of blood vessels, which is critical because every repair cell in your body has to travel through your bloodstream to reach the tissue that needs healing. If those pathways are damaged or restricted, repair cells struggle to get where they need to go, no matter how many of them your body produces. Now here is something worth sitting with for a moment. Imagine two people, both the same age, both seemingly healthy on the surface. One of them has spent years unknowingly feeding chronic inflammation through poor sleep, processed food, and unmanaged stress. The other has spent those same years, without even realizing it, supporting their body's natural repair pathways through simple, consistent habits. On the outside, they might look similar today, but internally, their capacity for healing, for organ function, for resilience against age-related decline could be dramatically different. This is the part that should genuinely unsettle you, because most of us have no idea which of these two paths we are currently on. The third food tied to this process is one most people overlook entirely: mushrooms. Certain varieties have been studied for compounds that may support immune function and cellular health, both of which play a supporting role in how efficiently your body identifies damaged cells and initiates repair. The fourth is leafy green vegetables, rich in specific plant compounds, studied for their potential role in reducing oxidative stress, one of the primary factors known to damage cells faster than the body can repair them. And the fifth, often the most surprising to people, is healthy fats found in foods like walnuts and olive oil, which have been studied for their role in supporting cell membrane health, the very structure that determines how efficiently a cell can send and receive repair signals in the first place. Here's the uncomfortable part most people need to hear. None of these 5 foods work in isolation, and none of them are a magic solution on their own. What the research consistently points to is not one single food acting like medicine, but a pattern, a way of eating consistently over time that either supports your body's natural renewal systems or slowly wears them down. This is why so many people try one supplement, one superfood, one trend, and feel disappointed when nothing changes. Real cellular renewal is not about isolated fixes. It is about consistency across everything your body relies on day after day, year after year. Think about your own life for a moment. How many of the last 7 days included any of these foods in a meaningful way? Not as an occasional afterthought, but as a real part of your routine. For most people, the honest answer is uncomfortable. And that discomfort is exactly the point, because awareness is the first step toward change. Your body has not given up on repairing itself. It is simply waiting for the right consistent signals to start again. This is not about chasing an extreme diet or expecting overnight results. It is about understanding that the food you eat every day is quietly shaping whether your body's repair systems stay active or fade into the background as the years pass. Small, consistent choices repeated over time are what actually influence long-term cellular health far more than any single dramatic change ever could. So here's my question for you. Out of these 5 foods, which one do you already eat regularly, and which one have you never really considered before today? Drop your answer in the comments, because I would genuinely like to know where everyone watching this is starting from, and I think you will be surprised how many people are in the exact same place as you.